Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Picks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Gmail offline mode. So let's get started. Uh, Open your Chrome. Now, open your Gmail. Now go to the settings option as you can see here in the upper right corner. Tap on it. Now click on See All Settings. Now you will see here option here offline mode. Go here, click on it. Now click on the Enable Offline Mail. Click on it. Now you will see here sync settings, store emails from the last 30 days. You can set here to 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. I will click on 30 days. Now you have to click on the keep offline data on your computer, remove the offline data once you log out. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on save changes. Got it. Now, whenever you want to access the emails offline, you can visit the mail.google.com using Chrome. So guys, this guide explains how to enable and use Gmail offline mode on your computer. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. See you in next video. Bye bye.